This week on the podcast, we talked about what to do when you're fed up with your bank and how to move your money. Switching bank accounts can be very stressful, especially for families, because there are so many different moving pieces between the accounts. But it's absolutely essential to your financial well being to make sure that your day to day accounts, the checking and savings, are running smoothly. So please listen to the episode. We break down why it matters where you bank, how to find the right bank for you, and some alternatives to check out, as well as the process to make it smoother. But there are three key takeaways I want to share with you today. The first is clearly define your goals and recognize how you use your money. Before you shop around and look at your different options, it's really important for you to hone in on what you need to get out of these accounts. What are your most important goals for the next year and beyond? And what features matter the most? And which ones are you willing to compromise? For example, if you're working from home, online banking might be essential because if you're getting checks, you want a mobile deposit. Or you may prefer that if there's a problem, that you can go to an actual bank. And so in that case, you're going to look for a banking option that has a location that's convenient to you. Every family is going to be different with their priorities, but just make sure you're aware of what they are and how you manage your money, which leads to the second takeaway. Make sure you have a financial map of your accounts and your bills. Moving and switching checking accounts can be stressful in part because you have paychecks going into an account and so many being transferred to either savings, investments, your essential bills, and so forth. Having that mapped out will make sure you don't miss any of your bills. It also is helpful to have, should one of you, the one who does the main day to day finances, is sick or really busy with work, the other spouse can step in and make sure things are running smoothly. Finally, consider automating as much as your money as possible. It might take an evening or a weekend, depending on how many accounts you have between the two of you, but automating your bills, your savings, and transfers takes a lot of weight off of you. Going forward, you only have to spend a few minutes each month to make sure that the bills are being taken care of and that you're hitting your goals. This frees up time and energy for the two of you to focus on the big picture, whether that's spending more time together, pursuing projects that could increase income, or just having more time to relax for yourself. So, if you're deciding that your current bank is not keeping you happy, make sure you listen to that episode. And in that vein, want to give a shout out to our podcast sponsor, Coastal Credit Union, which is focused on helping you live better by having you bank better. Not only are they the podcast sponsor, we've been members with them for years and have been happy with their service and competitive rates. But find out for yourself what they have to offer at bankbetter.org. I hope you have a great week. Take care.